Nature will never be delivered to your door in a box, but you can find it at MetroParks' nearly 5,000 acres of green space. Prairies, forests, and fields, open in every season. Lots of places to play. Water to soothe your spirit. Miles of trails, places to run, walk, bike, and move. Dog-friendly space, home to wildlife. Greenspace preserved to explore, nature delivered at MetroParks of Butler County. Log off, shut down, get outside.